Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an automate employee attendance sheet for your company only by clicking one button. Now, if you just click this one, automatically it generates attendance sheet. Let's see. Yes, employee attendance workbook has been created successfully. For example, if you click this build employee attendance sheet, directly it creates the attendance sheet for all the months of the year. Also, it shows the summary. You have also ability to clear attendance by one click. You can refresh it. You can select it next year, refresh, previous year. It means you have ability to change or navigate between years and navigate between months. If you want to learn something like this, watch to the end. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything. Just, I provide this Word document. You just copy this prompt. Okay. Just Control C. Come to ChatGPT. Now I am in ChatGPT. Just paste it. Just send prompt. You don't have to do anything. Just wait. After waiting for some time, Visual Basic Code is ready. Just copy it. Copy. I also provide this code in the Word document you have in the description of this video. Now come to Excel. Just from developer, Visual Basic, insert, module, Control V. Now I inserted the code. From file, close. Insert, shapes, bring up a button. Click here, right, click it, build, attendance sheet. Bring it to center, 25. Okay. Then right click, assign macro, and build employee attendance workbook. Click 6-1. Click this one. Okay. Now, if you just click this one, automatically it generates attendance sheet. Let's see. Yes, employee attendance workbook has been created successfully. You see? Also, it creates buttons. Build employee attendance sheet. If you just click this one, directly it rebuild again. Here we have refresh button. Here we have clear attendance. Previous year. This is for 2026. If you select this one, it gives you year 25 and 24 and so on. Here also we have dashboards according to the absent, present vs absent, leave and late trend, everything. Now let's see the employee information. Here I have information. You see, for this employee, Ahmad Hassan, it's active, still exists in the company or not. You can say inactive, on leave it, or terminated. You can select it, up to you. Mail, department, position, joining date, phone number, email. You can change up to yourself. For example, I change this one to my name, Rashad Muhammad. Now, here we have summary sheet. It is directly change it to Rashad Muhammad, but be sure, but be careful. You have to always change information from employee information sheet. Okay, that's only just summary sheet. Now let's go to the attendance. This is for January. Here we have different options. If I click here, you see PALLTHW. What is this? We have the meaning for this. P, present, A, absent, L, leave, LT, late. You see LT, late, H, holiday, W, weekend, and so on. Now, for example, I select present. For this one, present. If I double click, it provides present for all other. Select this one, present. This one, it's Monday, 5 of January. Select it, present. Let me fill the data. Now, from here it shows me total present 14 day, total absent 1, total leave, there is no leave, total late 1 leave, total holidays, there is no holiday, working days 21, attendance 166.67 percent, remarkers, okay, blanket. Now that's for January. Also for February we have, you have ability to change. For March, for April. Now if I come to dashboard, you see there is graphers, it shows the graph. Also it tells me that total employee 100 employee, total late days 100 days, total present days 1400 days, average attendance 5.56. Everything is explained in this dashboard. Also here we have summary. It tells you everything about January. Okay, yearly employee attendance summary. It's for yearly, but I provided only for women. That's all. Have a nice time.